we don't have maid service here.
Like we're having a sweet one.
So it's, you know, a little dusty here.
Jason, I'm getting it all, dude. I'm getting it all.
When you get to this level here, you might want to just watch your head.
Okay.
As you go
Watch
around
your head right here.
I got it.
up the ladder.
Dude, this is awesome. Going up in the bell tower of the Basilica of Notre Dame. This is deadly. Awesome. Father Rocca. Wow. This is so awesome.
We haven't seen any of that.
Oh.
Okay, now, the bells, of course, all used to be rung manually. So that's what these ropes are. The original the bells that they would ring. These would be the bigger bells that they would ring before masses, the big feast days, things of that sort. So these are all disconnected because now the bells can be rung electronically. And none of the bells swing anymore. On the next floor up, we're going to see